Good morning, children. Now we will learn another grammar topic. Okay, children? Open page number 48 in your term 1 textbook. Okay? In your term 1 textbook. English page number 48. Okay, children? Using grammar. Read this sentence. The king has a beautiful palace. The king has a beautiful palace. This means that the beautiful palace belongs to the king. So this means that this beautiful palace belongs to the king. We can say this in another way. So we can also say this in another way. Like how the king's palace is beautiful. Okay, children, the king's palace is beautiful. So it is the same as this sentence. We add apostrophe s. See, this is apostrophe and this is s to the word king to show this. Okay, so we added apostrophe s to make both the sentences as same. Okay, children, here are some more examples. The child's toys, the boy's shirt, the elephant's trunk, father's book. So these sentences shows us that it is the same. Okay, children? Now we will see few exercises. Okay, the parrot has a red beak. Okay, the sentence is the parrot has a red beak means that the parrot is having a red beak. So we can also write that sentence as the parrot's beak is red. Okay, children, so we can also write that the parrot's beak is red. Okay, children. Now the next one, the skylark has a beautiful voice. So the skylark has a beautiful voice. We can also write as the skylark's voice is beautiful. For skylark we should add apostrophe s. Okay, children. The next one, the bird has a golden cage. So the bird is having a golden cage. Then here the bird's cage is golden. So for the bird we have to add apostrophe s. Okay, children. The girl has a blue coat. The girl's coat is blue. Okay, so we have to add apostrophe s. Okay, children. Like, see, when you read these sentences, both sentences are same. The meaning is same. Now, read these sentences. The skylark sings beautifully. It is a small brown bird. It flies high in the sky. It likes to be free. So here we are finding few highlighted words. Okay, children? These highlighted words are action words. Action words means verbs. Yes, children? See, like singing is an action and flying is an action and like also is an action. So all these are verbs. You have already learnt about action words. They are also called as verbs. So remember, children, action words are also known as verbs. Okay, children, words are also known as verbs. Some more examples of verbs are, so see here we are going to see some more examples. Goes, jumps, lives, comes, runs. These verbs talk about something that happened in the present. So when s is added, children, so it is known that it is happening in the present. Okay, or generally or at regular intervals. Okay, children, and we say them as simple present tense. Okay, children, and we say them as simple present tense when any action is happens in the present. Like now, if something is happening now, or generally or at regular intervals, then we call it as a simple present tense. Okay children, first one, Ravi dash a picture. So what does Ravi do? Ravi draws a picture. Okay children, the child drinks juice. Drinks, DRINKS, drinks juice. The puppy plays in the garden. PLAYS, plays. My uncle cooks tasty food. COOKS, cooks. The cow eats grass. EATS, eats. So see here children, we can see the letter S in at the end of each word. So what does this mean? That these actions are like happened in the present. Okay children, which happens in the present or at regular intervals. Okay children, we will see some more exercises. Students listen to stories. Okay children, here we have already here students or we are already having, yes, so here no need to tick the S, so we can tick the listen. Okay, LISTEN. Okay, the duck lay eggs. So here we are having already yes, so lay. Okay, the bowler bowls the ball. Okay children, so the bowler bowls the ball is the correct one, bowls. We play football. What do? We play football. The bird builds a nest. Okay children, the bird builds a nest. Okay, now here we will see. So now note down children, this is the tusk and this is the trunk. TUSKS, tusks. TRUNK, trunk. And what is this? Tail. TAIL, tail. And what is this children? Spots. SPOTS, spots. And see what are these? Scales. SEALES, scales. SCALES, scales. And see this? Paws. PAWS, paws. Okay children, and these horns. HORNS, horns. And this legs. LEGS, legs. And what is this? Tongue. TONGUE, tongue. TONGUE, tongue. Okay children, the next one, see this final one, claws. CLAWS, claws. Okay children, you can take the help of this box and complete the spellings. Okay children, and now the next one, match the following, their homes. Okay, animals and their homes. Spider, web. Snake, hole. Rabbit, burrow. Lion, den. Hen, coop. Okay children, spider, web. Snake, hole. Rabbit, burrow. Lion, den. Hen, coop. Okay children, now next one, tick the right options. The dog lives in a kennel. The dog lives in a kennel. The bat lives in a cave. The bat lives in a cave. The sheep lives in a pen. The sheep lives in a pen. The cow lives in a shed. The cow lives in a shed. Okay children, now the next one, using punctuation. So what are punctuation, children? We have to write, whenever we begin any sentence, we have to keep it in capital. Okay children, we have to keep this in capital, and we have to end any sentence with full stop. Okay children, please help me with this sum. So in this, P should be capital and full stop at the end of the sentence. Next one, she went to Chennai on Saturday. So S should be capital because it is starting, the sentence is starting went to Chennai. So C should be capital because it is the place, name of the place. So name of the place, it is a noun. So we have to begin with capital letter. Okay children, on Saturday, full stop. Okay. Now the third one, show me your house. So S should be capital because the sentence is beginning and full stop. Okay children, show me your house. So remember children, whenever we start any sentence, it should be in capital letter. Okay children, and when we end any sentence, we have to keep full stop. And also for nouns like names, city names, country names, all the nouns we have to start with the capital letter. Okay children, because they are noun, proper noun. And now here we will rearrange the sentences. Okay, see, I have already done this. I will go to Kolkata on Monday. I will go to Kolkata on Monday. Okay children, give me the new ball. Give me the new ball. Give me the new ball. Okay, I will tell you a story. I will tell you a story. I will tell you a story. I will go to Kolkata on Monday. Give me the new ball. Give me the new ball. I will tell you a story. I will tell you a story. Okay children, hope you understood the grammar and also complete the exercises. Okay children, thank you.